Hey everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you what I packed in these Operation Christmas Child boxes, and this is the oldest age range, which is 10 to 14, and I'll be showing you what I packed in a girl and a boy box. So first I'll be starting off with the girl, and the first item that I included is this notebook, and it says be happy, be bright, be you, nice and shiny. And then a pencil case, and inside here has some pens as well as some pencils. And then inside of this little pouch just has a bunch of jewelry, so some bracelets and a necklace. And then there's just some toys. It's cool, you can build different things with it. And then some hair scrunchies, a toothbrush, underwear, some deodorant, a watch, a doll. I don't know if this is Anna or Elsa, but yeah, one of them. And some polka dot socks. And this is soap. And then a basketball pen. A washcloth. This is another hair scrunchie. Sorry, actually another hair scrunchie. And this is just a flashlight. And this is just 2 activity books, and then a coloring sheet and some stickers. And this is a top. I love the design of this. This has some different animals on there. I'll try to open it up so you can see. It's a really cute design. And then these are just some little bralettes, or just like some undershirt type thing. And then some sandals. And some pencil crayons. Some crayons. A ruler. And then a bracelet that says Canada, because I'm from Canada. And lastly, a Christmas card with a picture of my family and myself. So here's how inside of the box looks. So the first item that I included is this notebook, then a pencil case, and inside is a calculator as well as some pens and pencils. Then this Canada football, some deodorant, a bar of soap, a toothbrush, and a washcloth. And this little tiger, and a car. And then this item I could build a bunch of things out of. This digital watch, you just press the front. And then this baseball pen, a ruler, some safety scissors, this Mario game, some crayons and some pencil crayons, and this is just a Christmas card and some activity books. This is a t-shirt, and I always make sure to pack it in the biggest size in the age category, and this just has a dinosaur on it. And this is a pouch, and inside of it has some sunglasses. And lastly is a flashlight. So that's it for my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!